agenda. Okay, so basically I'm going backwards. For giving information, what do we need? We need to know the agenda. Okay, agree? How do we know the agenda? To know the agenda, what should we do?
Information
Doctor,
gathering.
Yeah.
the best choice is the patient. He or she will say everything to us and will help us to know.
Okay, what if they don't say?
And we shouldn't ask from them why you are here. How can I help you? What's your main concern to come
Good.
here?
Okay.
For coming here.
Right. So there is either the patient tells us, or we have to explore and find, look for cues. Okay. So if we don't know, I mean, at the end of the conversation, it happens. You ask all the questions, then you summarize, and then there is no cue. Still, you don't know what the patient wants. What do you say? Okay.
Can you ask directly?
Okay. Yes. Why not? And that is, these are the difficult cases I'm telling you. Okay. And sometimes they give you difficult cases. And right. So suppose after information gathering, okay, and summarizing, you still don't know what the patient wants. Okay. After all this,
yes,
we still don't know the agenda. So we're going to explain, we're going to give information, but we don't know what the patient wants. What do we do?
okay. Can we ask, do you have any concern to discuss?
Okay. Okay. Right. Do you have any concern to discuss? Any other ways of saying this? Okay.
And that I can help you with that.
Okay. We can say, okay, what exactly do you think it is? Okay. This means what is your idea? Okay. But what exactly? But the way you say it must be very slow and very respectful, because if you say it loud, it means that you are confronting with the patient. If you say, so what exactly do you think it is? No, we don't want that. We say, what exactly do you think it is? Or what exactly are you concerned with? Yeah?
Yes.
Or you can say, now, we cannot say, what do you want? We say, what exactly did you think I could do for you? Okay.
Yes.
So, what exactly? Yeah. Yes.
Why did?
Because he came in earlier today. Okay.
Okay.
And because it is unreal, it's like conditional sentence. Okay. Because I haven't done anything for you, but what did you think? What do you think, or what did you think I could do for you? Like I say, I wish I could help you. It means that I cannot. Okay.
Yes.
That's we call this a conditional tense.
Type 2.
Yeah, well, what do you call it in Farsi? You call it eltizami, yes?
Yes.
Zaman eltizami. It means that it's not a real time. Like I wish, if I could help you, I would definitely, or if I were you, I would do this and that. So this is conditional. So, what exactly did you think I could do for you today? This means that what do you want me to do for you? Okay, but it is conditional, and in this way we make it indirect, so we make it a little bit more respectful. Okay, so basically, guys, to give information, we need to know the agenda. To know the agenda, we have to explore ideas, concerns, and expectations. And we need to try to pick up the cues. And if you do that, basically, if you build a relationship, if you find out the ideas, concerns, expectations while you're information gathering, then you can actually give the information which relates to those ideas, concerns, expectations. Okay? And then this will be a structured consultation. Okay? So basically, by structure, we mean this. We mean gather information, okay, efficiently. Okay. So before gathering information, obviously, we say report. All right. Gather information and what is that? Summarize.
Yes.
And so while you're gathering information, look for cues and ideas, concerns, expectations, and explore them. Okay. Then you summarize. After you're summarizing, then you obviously you're saying that, look, these are the things I told you. Now, the summarizing comes in different places. Sometimes you summarize and you think, okay, I need more information. You ask more questions. Sometimes you summarize and you see that you have all the information necessary. So that's here you signpost and say that you are going to the next stage. What does that mean? It means, okay, now I'm going to, okay, after summarizing everything, now I have the whole picture. Now I'm going to examine you, or now I'm going to tell you what I think. Now I'm going to give you the diagnosis, okay, or the reason for your problem. And then you give information, okay? And by this, we mean a structured um, consultation. Okay, so this is what we want. Okay, uh, so uh, basically, when you know the ideas, concerns, expectations, then you can say you mentioned earlier and you related to that, and this creates a good structure. So the interlocutor or the examiner and the patient would know that, okay, you have been listening all this time, you have gathered all that information that was necessary, you are structuring this, you are relating all of this, you have explored everything that was necessary, and now you're responding to that. Okay. And if you do this structured consultation, then obviously you've got 15 marks, okay, out of the 39, was it?
Yes.
Yeah, these were 6 each, yeah, 24, and
Yes.
15 is 39. So basically, you get 15 out of 39. And this will be necessary to pass the test, okay, if you want to get B. Now, any questions up to here?
Yes. What's mean, Dr. Rapport?
Report.
Rapport? What
Rap-
mean?
Rapport means connection, means a cooperation, a cooperative relationship. Okay.
Okay.
Establishing rapport.
Yeah.
Right. This is rapport.
Okay. Thank you.
A close and harmonious relationship in which people or groups concerned understand each other's feelings or ideas and communicate well. Okay?
Okay.
It means
Thank you.
a close or a special relationship, a mutual understanding or affinity. Okay?
Yes.
Um, what do you say? She was able to establish a good rapport with the children. Okay.
Yes.
So we use a word quite commonly for establishing rapport in marriages. We say the two people need to establish rapport to be able to live
Yes.
together. What does that mean?
تفاهم داشتن.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Okay, so um, are you happy with the communication criteria now? I mean, because
Yes.
I think we covered these and um, we know what we're supposed to do. We need to practice these, okay?
Yes.
And as well as practicing these, what I think we can do is start to work on your grammar and your pronunciation, your fluency. Now, you could do that with me or with somebody else, but I think basically we need to practice these and you need to have some feedback. Therefore, I think we can still have a few sessions and for us to feedback on each other's work. Okay. Uh, if you think you can do it yourself, just do the same thing. Remember, constructive feedback. This is constructive feedback, right? Yeah. What is constructive feedback? What is the format? Do you know?
No.
Reflect, reflective, reflective practice, and constructive uh, feedback. Okay, and this means that okay, when you reflect on something, the first thing you say, what is your feeling? How do you feel? Okay, and then you can say why I feel like that. Okay, uh, so that comes together, and then you say what is the situation? What happened? Okay,
Mm.
and what went well, and what could be done differently. Okay, it means
Yes.
what didn't go very well, and then after
Mm.
that you will have some action plan. All right. So basically, yeah, what happened and why, basically, or what is my feeling and why. So what happened, what went well, what could be done differently, and therefore you will have an action plan. Your action plan says, okay, next time I'm practicing or next time I'm doing a job, what I'm going to do is, for example, to give information more properly, or to signpost and summarize, or to explore more about children. So this is uh, how you learn. Okay. So this is very important, and you will have a lot of these. If you go to a Western country and if you want to practice, they would definitely expect to do this every day and all the time. Okay. So, uh, what do you think? How are you feeling?
Yes. It's good.
Tired? It's good?